Hey guys, it's her sneeze and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you haven't been here before. I'm so excited that you're joining the family. All you have to do is subscribe down below. Like I always say, if you want your own personalized video, it starts off at 20. The more you want, all things like that will come out to a bigger price. My email is always in the description, but I will tell you it right now. It is sneezegirl111@gmail.com. But with that being said, let's get started. So guys, I'm like really feeling the new hairstyle. Let me know how you guys feel about it in the comments because I really like it. What if I gave one of you guys my like tissues? Would anyone want one? Let me know. I would only do it if you guys wanted it. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe about things. Don't forget, my email is always in my description, and I can't wait to have another purchase for a personalized sneezing video. I love making them for you guys, and I truly appreciate it when you guys purchase from me. It means a whole lot to me. And like I said, let me know if you want one of my snotty tissues. I mentioned that earlier. And like I always say, I love you guys, and bye.